Hi guys, this is the visitors in my Detiny's ears, mas dirtiest ears in the world. Okay,
Chicken,
come
may
here,
magyapos
mom.
nas ba? Jollibee?
Mm.
Ba?
Mm.
Ang chicken lang nagyapos din. Ha? Ang chicken with french fries.
Oh my god, this is so dirty.
Mas makasave ka na.
Ah. Oh, look at this, guys. Is this so dirty, right? This dirty is made from worms.
Oh?
Yes.
Satan spicy. Okay. Fish, di ba? May unlimited ang rice ba? Yung chicken red ang paliton. So, french fries. Dali mo.
Ah!
Dali mo?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Gutom na ka?
This is the massive, dirtiest ear in the world. Okay, it's perfect, man. The cost is $10,000. Give me. Okay, thank you. Today, guys, thank you for all the watching. I hope please subscribe to my channel. I hope you will clean your ear every day next time. Goodbye.